and welcome back to another DIY with Asa, Essentials and Upgrades. My name is Asa and welcome. If you are new to this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Creating this beautiful gold flower vase, or you can use it as a candle holder. This is a great budget-friendly item for wedding centerpiece. If you'd like to see how to create this beautiful item, please continue watching. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. So let's get on to the video. Okay guys, so here is the finished look. Apologize for my voice, so having the flu, but anyways, so here it is. It's such a cute item to use. You can do it without the glitter. All three, the canister and the rose candle holder, I purchased from the dollar store, not the dollar store, Dollarama. The paint, you find the paint at Walmart, and you can also purchase glitter at the Dollar Tree and the Dollarama. So this is a really easy project to do, and as I said, budget friendly for, you know, a small wedding. As a centerpiece, you can use it as a candle holder. The lights I purchased from Amazon, but I'm pretty sure you can get battery operated lights or candle holders at any dollar store. Okay guys, so I also did a silver. Let me know which one you prefer, the silver or the gold. So this concludes this DIY video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like this video, share it, comment, and subscribe. I would like to thank you all so much. Oh my god, my subscribers are growing. Thank you all so much. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Okay guys, so take care, and thank you again so much for watching and supporting me. Take care. Bye for now.